When it comes to overlanding, Smittybilt knows how to do it right. So right here we have the Overland Gen2 Rooftop tent. It's a standard size, and we're going to unbox it now to see what's inside. When you start unboxing these, make sure you don't cut too deep. Just cut the tape around the edge so you don't cut or damage the tent inside it. Pretty simple to unbox. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the tent to see what's inside it. Have it opened now. So next thing is to figure out where the hinges are, so you can turn it, orient it, so you can open it up all the way. In this case, the hinges are on this side, so I'm going to rotate it so we can open it up and see it from a good angle. Great things about these tents is they come pretty much already put together. As you can see here, the rain fly is already on it. We just got to put the braces on the bottom so you can mount it onto your vehicle. Once you get the tent open up, you'll go up to the front of it, and we'll go inside, which is where the rest of your equipment is going to be. Inside you can see we have a nice, about 2.5-inch density, high density foam mattress. Great interior there. I'm gonna go open up the other side so you can let some light in so you can see inside it. So let's see what kind of equipment we have that comes inside the tent. First thing, a nice Smittybilt shoe rack. Put all your shoes in as you climb into the tent because you don't want dirt in the tent. Right here we have the tent cover. So once it's on your vehicle, this goes over it to protect it. Next we have our tent poles. These are going to be what holds out the rain flies and the windows. They're pretty standard. Next we have some bars that can go on the bottom of the tent. Kind of help give it some strength as you mount it up on your vehicle. Let's see, what's this? I have no idea what this one is. Let's see. Looks like we have, oh, our LED lights. Instruction manual. power cables for our LED lights, bungee cords for something, our last little bag of goodies, I am going to guess, is our hardware to mount these guys to the bottom of the tent. Yep, so we have 4 bars. We have 2 guys like this. These are going to be what hold the ladder on, our nuts and bolts. 2 handy wrenches. These guys, I believe they will help us hold these onto the bottom. Then last but not least, our handy retractable ladder. Fantastic. So that's what comes inside the Smittybilt Gen2 Overland Rooftop tent. This is also the standard size. The XL has another little thing that comes out to have kind of this entryway inside the tent. That's pretty cool too. In the next video, we're going to mount this up on to Monster Cookie, my F-150, show you how that's done, then also do a review, tell you things that we like, things we don't like. So go check those videos out too.